How to travel to China for free. Dreaming of exploring China's Great Wall, bustling cities, or stunning landscapes but worried about costs? What if I told you it's possible to travel to China for free or at least very cheaply? In this video, I'll reveal legitimate ways to visit China without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Number 1. Apply for fully funded scholarships. China offers some of the most generous scholarships for international students, covering tuition, accommodation, and even monthly stipends. If you're open to studying abroad, this is one of the best ways to live in China for free. Top scholarships. Chinese Government Scholarship (CSC) covers full tuition, housing, and living expenses. Confucius Institute Scholarship for learning Chinese language and culture. University-specific scholarships. Many top universities like Peking, Tsinghua, Fudan offer full funding. Number 2. Work exchange and volunteering programs. If you don't want to study, consider work exchange programs, where you trade skills for free accommodation and sometimes meals. Best platforms: Workaway help with teaching, farming, or hostel work in exchange for free stay. Helps similar to Workaway, with opportunities across China. WWOF China work on organic farms in rural areas. Tip: some programs even offer small stipends or travel allowances. Number 3. Teach English and get paid plus free housing. Native English speakers can land teaching jobs in China with salaries, free housing, and even flight reimbursements. How to get started. TEFL certification required for most jobs. Apply through DCS Alcafe, Teachaway, or Econacities. Public schools, private academies, and universities hire foreign teachers. Tip: some recruiters offer free flights and bonuses after contract completion. Number 4. Win a sponsored trip or contest. Believe it or not, companies and organizations sometimes sponsor trips to China. If you're strategic, you can land an all-expenses-paid journey. How to find and win sponsored trips. Travel and photography contests. Many tourism boards and brands run contests where winners get free trips to China. Examples: Amazing China Photo Contest sponsored by China's Ministry of Culture. Airlines and hotel promotions companies like China Eastern Airlines or Ctrip occasionally offer giveaway trips. Influencer and blogger programs if you have a social media following. Brands may sponsor you to promote China travel. B. Cultural and exchange programs. Youth exchange programs, some NGOs, or government initiatives, like the Sino Foreign Youth Exchange fund cultural trips. University partnerships if your school has ties with Chinese universities. You might get a funded exchange opportunity. See brand ambassador and promotional deals. Tourism campaigns, cities like Chengdu, Xi'an, or Guilin sometimes recruit foreign travelers to promote tourism. Travel vlogging challenges, platforms like TikTok or YouTube occasionally sponsor creators to visit China. Tip: follow at Visit China, at China Scholarship, and airline social media pages for announcements. Enter multiple contests to increase your chances. Build an online presence, blog, Instagram to attract sponsors. Number 5. Couchsurfing and hospitality exchange. If you're okay with budget travel, couchsurfing lets you stay with locals for free while experiencing authentic Chinese culture. Best apps: couchsurfing free stays with hosts. Be welcome at alternative platforms. Pro tip: always check reviews and stay with verified hosts for safety. Number 6. Hitchhiking and budget travel hacks. If you're adventurous, hitchhiking in China is possible, especially in rural areas. Combine it with these ultra-cheap transport tricks. Hitchhiking in China: how to do it safely. Best regions: rural areas Yunnan, Sichuan, Guangxi are more hitchhike-friendly than big cities. How to signal: use a sign with your destination in Chinese. Safety tips: avoid hitchhiking at night. Prefer truck drivers or families, safer than solo drivers. Use Didi Hitch, China's ride-sharing app for cheaper rides. B. Extreme budget transport tricks. Overnight trains, dirt cheap but uncomfortable. Long-distance buses often cheaper than trains for short routes. Bike sharing Helibike, Mobic for city travel as low as 15 cents per ride. Carpooling apps like Didi Hitch and BlaBlaCar China help split costs. Free city tourism hostels offer free walking tour in exchange for reviews. See free accommodation tricks. 24-hour McDonald's, KFC. Many travelers sleep here in emergencies. Train station waiting rooms, some allow overnight stays. Temple stays. A few Buddhist temples offer free lodging for volunteers. Tip: learn basic Mandarin phrases to negotiate better deals. Traveling to China for free isn't easy. But with scholarships, work exchanges, teaching, or contests, it's absolutely possible. Which method would you try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. See you in the next adventure.